Yesterday, the High Court of Kenya pronounced itself on issues raised by a number of petitioners with regards to the BBI. 5 judges dismissed the whole exercise and went even further than the petitioners had themselves expected. They made very personalized attacks against the person and the office of the president. This was a very deliberate design to plunge the country into a constitutional crisis and chaos through judicial activism. The judges went as far as saying the president cannot instigate a referendum by appointing a task force or a commission. In an earlier ruling, the same High Court had ruled that the task force was properly and legally constituted, and the president had acted within the law in setting up the task force. With the ruling yesterday, a section of the political class and non-governmental organizations, NGOs, have tried to stop Kenyans from having their say on the BBI by way of a referendum. These are beneficiaries of the status quo who are determined to stand on the way of reforms. This is the unholy marriage between Tangatanga, civil society, and a section of the judiciary. We note the celebration of the ruling by politicians and civil society operators who have dismissed BBI from the word go. These politicians determined to ignore the fact that 4 million Kenyans signed the BBI amendment bill. We note that the ruling focused on the task force and totally and deliberately ignored the Secretariat and promoters of the bill. The promoters of the bill and the BBI reports and annexures recognize the potential of the BBI documents to improve the peace situation, economy, youth, gender parity, and other issues affecting our country, and decided to pursue a constitutional amendment through a popular initiative. We note with satisfaction that the judges did not prohibit the promoters, who are mainly myself, Juliet Mohammed, Dennis Waweru, Senator Janet Ongera, and Madam Sarah Kilemi, from pursuing the constitutional amendments. The judges stopped the president, who is not a promoter of the bill. On our part, we assure Kenyans that we shall continue to promote the constitutional amendment bill until it is ratified by Kenyans. As law-abiding leaders, we respect the decision of the court, but we don't agree with it. Consequently, we are setting up a legal team to look into and appeal the ruling. In the meantime, we assure all Kenyans who believe in the BBI and its promise not to give up. It is not over yet. We still believe a new Kenya is possible, that the BBI will give birth to that new Kenya. We will fight to the bitter end for that dream to be realized. We need your support. We need your support so that more money can go to the counties. We need your support so that we can have a ward fund. We need your support so that we can end election violence. We need your support so that we can end corruption in our country. We need your support so that we can fight corruption. And then also we need your support so that we can have shared prosperity. These are not partisan or political issues. These are daily life and death issues affecting millions of our people. They are worth fighting for, and we will fight to realize them.